KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Menteri Rangba jong kejelna Konrad Sangma ha ka khat artri ubnaya yong arajar arpuar ula kentat banyak kendo yaki nongelam jong ki hima bat ki raj ki baha bapa upur usam jong ki hima melim hapa kejingelam jong ubasan ka raj nongse uba nathaniel thankeu da ka ba aidao bakim shim lapan por satyana u nebo appointment banyak kendo ya u hagani gasngi kani kejing temu jong ki nongelam hima bat ki raj ban let ye kendo yo menteri Rangba ka jelna Kalong hadin bakim shim la hun satya ya kejinga soy jong ka soskular jong ka sarkar Meghalaya bat ka sarkar Assam ya ka memorandum of understanding na ka benta ban ya penbet ya upur usam hapadeng ka jilla Meghalaya bat ka jilla Assam.
Committee alor ka border problem jong ka mai khuli bat daftar kita ki area. Ani ngidon kira masnong na ki reviews nong belawan lang bat ni ngidon ru kita jaka nakalang ni basan. Dan iba Marbot, iba Yawan Seranlang, dan iba Adrian. Datar nanta kilong kumi kini kiba mjui yang iba don baik. Dia makiru kin saya keren di Martin dia sebet. Dari lawan mana sini ban submit. Ya ke memorandum kaba ngila thok bhai kan memorandum bat ngila ong hakmal CM badai ban pengkut nak suai kan ni kajinga soi ke dongki. Ya kani ke MOU bat Assam namar ba kinong rim kilong ba ngila pani kinong rim ki basai namar balai ya kacaka ka puta ka jongi ba ka claim ka Assam hako kata kendon ka badan hako ka schedule 1 ka description jo ka Assam ka ba ki ong khasi states ya kani haji sisa claim pat ya bat claim pat ya keren ni kini Henry Lasu bulldoze ya kani ka kambat ngibu ya kan ka memorandum pen kedawi ka government ba kadon ka notification 1876 ya ke Kosia Hills ke badai ki bala sai kenal bahaya ka ya kan ka Port Sodong jom ke Himakasi ba ter rang ta ki ar ki kakadai sebab haksan ki ter ngilap pen paulo di notification ki ba kala keren sai yang tu begini ki dicaka kasi kawai ka bangim sko ya hak belong ba hajing sisa la dei bandon ke consultation ka dei bandon ka ni ka involvement jongki autonomous district council namar beli maki di custodian of the land. The state government owns no land. They menta haganu ka nongrim. On what basis is the state government negotiating over private land? Number two, there is another legal issue ka bami kala na ban pia autonomous district. Autonomous district la penpau ba ki jurisdiction jam autonomous district adan hapo ka para 20. De mentala de ki ong ban muslia saya kata bakin ong ba ka parliament kan amen ni kan mi ka jinga ki ko sakai. Kan mi ka jinga ki ko sakai namar ba kini ki perlok kanton ki perlok ki basa satai. Ki bala im ha tu ka jing hapo ka border ki sutu iba inum la banyak im ba ka asam. Kamtam da kamdon ka lada kamdon kajing ai ya kajaka kajing ya syai halor kajing ya ai jong kajaka pi manta hapo mai khuli ki omba iding tangi pung dokha mo Henry kalong kami we will not give 1 inch of tribal land. 1 inch of tribal land also is so precious to us. Namar balai we have come into India by virtue of the instrument by virtue of section 7 of the Indian Independence Act where all the Khasi Himas they became free. Like we were never under India at any point of time. Hakajo kapor pada kami ka violation ya ka instrument of accession. Kami ro ya ka usa Saidullah udakhat jong ka constituent assembly ong ba hakaski ba pass ya ka section ong ba kadon ka constitutional anomaly. Dakani ka constitutional anomaly. Kuno kijaka jong kihima kasi kidang hap sipo Assam hangata kendon kasi states ya kani u LM Singhvi but u VM Tarkunde argut constitutional expert sikila ongba dan kam bandai sa Supreme Court under Article 131 of the Constitution. Namar in land dispute between two states kadaitan the Supreme Court the original court of jurisdiction kabala man ra ini Tetapi daw ngiro ni ong biang ya state government bagade ban pensangnya no season don ni kanika MOU ko bagi layas sai. Ban hajo ko por kade ban don consultation bagi Khasir Autonomous District Council bat ki Trajaka bat ki headman bat ki CM Raj bat ki CM chua bakin poi kanu ka jingya ya soi nomor beli state government has no locus standi to sign anything on private land, on right land, on land of the community, on land of the Hima, on land of the Kurs. Hani ngidon ni basan ini iwan hang ni kumu private land una pa imay jong i ka kilala sa Supreme Court mo basan tin sa patay mi. We have MOU ka sulong no. It is a matter of political convenience for the MDA government because after all Big Brother Assam is looking over their shoulder. So since the BJP government is there in Assam, they will have to abide by what Assam wants. So now Assam is very happy. We saw how Himanta Biswa Sharma, when he came to the NEPA, Northeastern Police Academy, his smile was from one ear to the other ear because he has got what he wanted. What is the signature of two chief ministers? Because this is a constitutional process, it has to go to Parliament. The survey has to be done, and the people, you will not allow survey, I think. Will you allow survey करने को देगा उसको? नहीं देगा.
Terbentang apa nak kalian?
Kalau piwan kadang ka kuasa tak cek. Ingin siapa kan? Ibasan dia mesti order. Kalau lor kendo begitu, jong dia jong tapi kendo dia mesti order. Mentana kalian kajong ni, ni kerana bagi dia mesti order. Ethnicity, geographical contiguity, historical background, the legal issues, etc. In fact, when they decided this 6 areas, they said that they have abided by this. Kila yang halor kini ginore mengilap bagi iklamnya. Where in history, if they had stood on these principles which they had outlined, then why was 1876 not taken into consideration? Because 1876 is the beginning of everything. Why was it not taken into consideration? Okay, you want to give land to Assam, but it must be clear. It must be very clear. And I'll tell you, right now I'll not give you the details, but there is big business and big politics going on. Because land, from the information that we got, a lot of these politicians who are in power, already the game is there to sell the land to Assam. A figure of about 20,000 crore also is there in the market. People are talking that 20,000 crores will be paid to certain parties once this land goes to Assam. So that we will see later. After we get all the facts, we will tell you about this big land deal. Marta jaka kumakade nita ni bangale ako report kini ka jaka mata gila ongwan ay na ko pasang di kalong kay ko sulungo no marta ni jaka it was never in the disputed ado was bang kamdan disputed ay kamlang dispute kamdan ay beres kata ka dewi ka jaka juni idan ba iim ni rap angto ni dan giing samang to ndray mita kan san kasamo dang suwan ban and approach 2018 alor jang kata ngai complaint si ngai complaint si SP ngai complaint sa po o si touch po kada para ka ndray kamle di nomor ba kiong bakalan jadi ka private nomor bakalan jadi ka private matter tinggi haban le himangi di menta kalau kay ko sopsi nomor ba what image ngi la pulut ko pisa ban le chadu Supreme Court nomor ba ka di ka matar kalong ba ka di ka private ka di ka individual kalan jungi tinggi hable chadu Supreme Court ngai menta ka walong ngo pat nu ba ka sarkar mi kala pat nalor ba khamsim ka concern ka khamsim ka jingbit ka jing tang ka kien no na kien jungi meru khamsim meru ngai menta ni ka kala su ala ka ai sa asam kata kay ito yung mga sulong mo. Yung taxi, one submit yung nila memorandum. Kuma siyam pa yung sambu ka appointment, nakakataong yung laban ko. Yung legal committee, nga rin lang. Yung kay Mustar Hazarika, Sar Hazarika, dan lang. Yung sumitan lang. Ita, yung ila pa ni, ilang baka ni, kadi ka baka dan po sa kultun. Yung laong nyo sa. Ako, katapaw yung Paulo Hazarika, damagtan yung sinunod code. We will see what the court decide. Kung tayo ang nakikil yung uhi, idan lang, nisaki lang, press ko, idan ang por, nisaki yung katawa. The matter is still in the court, we will see what the court decide. Mereka minta kepada orang tua sulungo, minta apa nang ni, apakah court dapat decide nang ni pagkailangan tayo sa asam. Kan minta mo, kani ka iyo jong ka inform bang iyo kani ka state jong Meghalaya jong bang iyo ka state jong Meghalaya jong
Kadai lingba lalu bersua pengidan tu South bahap apa bersua ka United Kasih Janja Hills tak por kanang dei ka United Kasih Janja Hills ning makalong menta tiada 1876 ka British government gata por kala dei ka Indian government hi tingil ada dan rupa put South ba kena pi menta kumbang labatai bekidan gini 5 parameters the bon gini parameters ru kibre dungi ki satisfy le ini anso kibar fa kidan ben okay fine nrai menta da kishu long kishu decide without going into that 1876 kalong important nomor kani 1876 kata lang ni ka next phase pi ka next phase karon sa ka kani ka dash dombria ka right dombria ka taro ka di way na kira ke ba hap apo ka di pa jongi basan pat ka badai din sa ka image law munta ka himamaliw di kani ka di ka right ka bahaya na do nang ni na berni snapur ka tar kani ka di ka second phase dan munta di base na kita ka 1876 kinsuya di kuntu na po ayu mut kani kan pon paujing e sa po 1876 nomor ba ya kani ka dombria ya kani ka right dombria nomor ba kini ka slaver fight ka di wa ki base na po 1876 nomor ta ki ignore pa ya kani mut ngi la apa ngila do lupa ya di dombria ru nomor ko magalong hi sige brio laro mataru dan naka di ayu jongki ya nyam karo kom jongki bat makir kilong wiling ma banginuan bat ngi sengi siken nomor ba kumbag ngi yo so kata kamlong officially yung bang jaka jongi subuh ka jaka jongi bay mata klade siya asam ri kitray ngin lang himangi kitray kata ngilong ngam sula wan padiang te marsin baka jaka jongi gadang day hapo 6 schedule hapo ka jingpa jong ka district council mata kala hapo siya asam long no kamlong suka tribal land ting kanong kay ka ba bang ngim sutanat ke nomor ba klem ka jing klem ka jing kun kunjo optin nangi la susim laksim surai la karay kata kalong kay bang misosisi